Hey, Christian here with PowerScreen and Shade in San Diego. I'm out in Carmel Valley today at one of my favorite installs, and I want to show you what we did here. This homeowner had already gone all in on their backyard patio, heaters, a big screen TV, the whole setup. It was built for hanging out, but every evening that setting sun would come in and just wash out the TV and hit you right in the face. On top of that, the bugs were relentless and the neighbors had a clear line of sight into everything. So you've got this incredible outdoor space, but you can only really enjoy it on your terms some of the time. That's where we came in. We sealed the entire patio in with PowerScreens, and now it's a completely different experience. The bugs are done. You don't even think about them. That western sun that used to ruin the evening, handled. And the privacy is instant. From the outside looking in, the neighbors see the screen. From the inside looking out, the view is crystal clear. That's what the darker fabric does. It keeps your view wide open while everything else stays on your side of the screen. And when you don't need them, you press a button and they disappear right back into the housing. No curtains hanging around, nothing in the way, and just your patio the way you built it. Everything we install is custom measured and built right here in our own shop. We've been doing this for over 20 years and we stand behind every single installation. If you want to see how this looks and feels in person, come by our showroom.